You want to make money online? Everyone does. But how do you do it without getting lost in the sea of options? Forget complicated schemes, forget endless hours of work. The old ways are just too frustrating and time-consuming. The future is here, and it's fashionable. Imagine a world where technology and style merge seamlessly. Imagine earning $1,000 plus daily with just 3 clicks. It's possible. It's real. This isn't a dream, it's the new reality. And it's all thanks to the power of AI and the booming world of online fashion. AI is revolutionizing how we shop and sell. No more struggling with website design, no more endless hours trying to make your site look perfect, no more dealing with confusing plugins. Say goodbye to the technical headaches that hold you back. AI StoreMaker handles it all. From setup to management, it's your all-in-one solution. This is the future of entrepreneurship. Young, dynamic, and driven by technology. It's time to step up and claim your piece of the pie. The opportunity is here, and it's waiting for you to take it. Embrace the future. Embrace the fusion of fashion and technology. Your success story starts now. The fashion industry is massive. It's a world where creativity meets commerce and the possibilities are endless. We're talking $494 billion massive. From high-end runways to everyday streetwear, fashion is everywhere. And guess what? People are buying more clothes online than ever before. This is your opportunity to tap into a thriving market. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need years of experience or a huge budget to get started. You don't need a warehouse full of clothes. Forget about the hassle of inventory management. AI StoreMaker connects you with trendy products. It curates the latest fashion items, so you always have the best to offer. You sell, they handle the rest. It's that simple. From packaging to delivery, everything is taken care of. Stop dreaming about financial freedom. Take control of your future and make it a reality. Start building it, one stylish outfit at a time. Your journey to success in the fashion industry begins now. AI StoreMaker is your secret weapon. It's a cloud-based platform. That means no Shopify, WooCommerce, or hosting headaches. It's all done for you. Just 3 easy steps and you're in business. You don't need a ton of money to start. For just $8, you can launch your fashion empire. That's it. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just pure profit potential. Here's how it works. Choose your fashion niche. Are you into streetwear? Boho chic? Maybe you love vintage or high fashion. Whatever your style, pick a niche that excites you and resonates with your target audience. This is the first step to creating a unique and successful store. AI StoreMaker helps you find the hottest trends. It analyzes data from across the web to identify what's in vogue. Next, customize your store. Choose colors, fonts, and layouts that reflect your brand. Make it your own by adding your logo and personal touches. AI helps you design a stunning storefront that converts visitors into customers. It suggests layouts and features that enhance user experience. Finally, start selling. Upload your products, set prices, and you're ready to go. TikTok is your best friend. It's a powerful platform for reaching a wide audience quickly. Create fun, engaging videos showcasing your products, show how to style them, share behind-the-scenes looks, and involve your audience in the process. Use trending sounds and hashtags to increase visibility. This helps your videos get discovered by more people. Watch the sales roll in. It's that easy. With the right strategy, your store can become a hit. AI StoreMaker gives you the tools. You bring the hustle. Hit the below link to sign up on AI StoreMaker and start your journey today. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.